Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So, my name is Nazih Darajatin. You can call me Nazih, Bu Nazih. So, actually, I'm not a lecturer in this university. I had been a lecturer 2 or 3 years ago here for 3 or 4 years. Habis itu off karena yang dosen tidak tetap dilengsarkan semua. Nah, so I have taught in, saya pernah ngajar di MTS Adamiyah.
MTS Adamiyah.
Have you ever heard MTS
Yeah,
Adamiyah?
I have overheard about Sadamiyah. I think Sadamiyah have like junior high school SMP.
Yeah, from MI.
Not only MTS,
No.
SMP.
RA nya juga ada.
Ya.
RA, MI, terus SMP, junior high school, MTS nya pun ada, SMK, boarding school. For MTS, there is a boarding school.
But what's the what are differences about MTS and SMP?
The difference between MTS and SMP. The subjects.
Yeah, or not the subject, but maybe about the programs.
Okay, for MTS, they must stay at the boarding school. In the boarding school. Kalau yang SMP, no obligation for them to stay
But optional.
in the boarding school. Yeah, optional. But most of the students in the boarding school are the students of MTS. Jadi most the student
Mostly
itu,
on
pokoknya
the boarding school
rata-rata,
from MTS.
Yeah. For SMP optional. Tapi kayaknya jarang deh. 2 years ago, I have resigned from MTS Adamiyah. About 3 years ago, because I stay in Mantingan.
You're from Mantingan.
It's so far from Bangsering.
Yeah, I know.
Bolak-baliknya agak capek, jadi saya resign.
And now?
And now I'm here. UPT Bahasa.
In UPT Bahasa, and you are not another employee or lecturer? No, but stay. Okay.
Saya udah daftar di beberapa sekolah, pengen ngajar lagi gitu, tapi belum ada kesempatan. Jadi cuma di sini aja.
Okay.
Sama ada bisnis lah di rumah. Oke, baik. So, I have asked to Bu Ernia juga. Saya udah tanya ke Bu Ernia juga, maksudnya what is the material? What are the materials?
Yes.
Discuss with you and Anda gitu ya. So, she told me it's about speaking.
Yeah, my focus.
So I have prepared, actually speaking is related to vocabulary pasti, in changing vocabulary juga. And now ini coba. Ini saya ambilnya random. I take it random. Educational impact on the society. Our activity today is we will try to find any difficult term in this journal. Any difficult term in this journal, so we can find the meaning together. Find the meaning and elaborate it. Find the meaning of the difficult term in this journal and elaborate it. Elaborate them. Okay. Please, you ini from the first page dulu.
Yeah.
Is there any difficult term or difficult word you find here?
From abstract or from introduction?
Abstract first.
Abstract
Let's
first.
try in abstract first.
Let me to translate first, maybe.
Boleh?
Educational impact on society.
What is-
Dampak pendidikan dalam
Yes.
hidup bermasyarakat.
Okay.
Correct?
Yes. Impact. Dampak, pengaruh, influence. So,
Is interest?
you may underline. So, later we will discuss the meaning together.
Maybe I will to direct to translate it, maybe. Or
No,
no,
the difficult terms only.
the difficult terms.
If no, if you find, if you don't find any difficult term, you may explain me.
Yeah, for if I scan this this text, I
What
think
is- what is it
yeah,
about?
it's about the importance of educational in the society, about to manage our society from injustice, violence, corruption, and any mistakes from this our democratic society. From the first, I like maybe to develop our capabilities, and then in this paper also describe about the roles of education. I think like that.
That's all.
Yeah, it just maybe just summary.
Abstract.
Yeah.
A summary.
Yeah, in the underline me the importance of educational, like that, and political, and then
The importance of education.
Yeah.
So here, what is the impact of education towards the society? From this abstract,
yeah.
can you find any impact of the education for the society?
Yeah, one develops the capabilities to fight against injustice, violence, corruption, and many
Okay.
other.
Others? So what else?
Can you correct me if the role in Indonesia prinsip or
Role.
role
Yeah.
prinsip?
Or principle.
No.
What's your principle in English?
I want to know about the paragraph 2 of an abstract, the role of education.
Oh.
Can you explain me about the
What is the meaning of role? The
yeah
role of
role
peran.
peran role?
Role.
It's similar with the function, maybe the role, peran, function. It's the same.
Could be.
Could be.
Peran means function.
Peran means function.
What the role of the role of education?
Yeah, one education is important in the creation of any democracy. Penting untuk menciptakan masyarakat yang demokratis.
Demokratis, oke. The second.
The second, um, untuk menstabilkan
Ya.
perpolitikan lah.
Geopolitical.
Ya.
So, the third.
Education leads to economic prosperity in the global marketplace. Pendidikan bisa memberi peta jalan atau memandu kegiatan ekonomi di perekonomian dunia.
Global marketplace.
Yes, global marketplace-nya untuk untuk bersaing lah, kasarnya gitu ya, menurut saya. Give the people knowledge they need to elect capable leader, ya, memberi seseorang memiliki kemampuan yang cukup, pengetahuan yang cukup untuk memilih pemimpin. Helps promote tolerance in society. Ya, edukasi juga bisa meningkatkan tingkat toleransi. Karena kalau nggak memiliki pengetahuan ya mesti sumbu pendek kan.
Yes.
Education has the power to help societies and the world in general change the better. Yeah.
Okay.
You have the power. So many, and to learn about the mistake from the past, reduce violence, crime, societies. And I'm sure it's true. Education trees hope for the future.
15 hasilnya 15.
Yeah, 15 rows in this paper line, like, I think. Maybe I want to know about the enlightening, the last line of abstract. Can you find it?
Education is supposed to be an enlightening process
Yeah, enlightening. Can you
that
help me?
aims at magnifying our wisdom and store of knowledge. Okay, can you guess what does it mean?
What?
Can you guess? What is the meaning of enlightening?
Yeah, I
From the sentence, education is supposed
Education
to be
is supposed
an enlightening process.
education
that aims-
mendukung suppose
support
Ya,
mendukung.
support.
Kalau suppose
what?
supposed to be
Supposed.
diharapkan is supposed to be
Meningkatkan, enlightening,
enlightening.
improve, similarly.
Coba.
No.
Oke, kalau jenengan usually what dictionary do you use?
I am
To find any Google Translate kah atau you have any
Google Translate.
Google Translate aja. If we can use Oxford Dictionary.
No,
Pernah pakai?
Oxford Dictionary. Never.
Never. Kalau Oxford Dictionary itu the meaning also in English. Jadi penjabarannya di English juga. Ada audionya juga. Kalau enaknya sih pakai itu. Oxford kalau mau improving English ya, bukan yang langsung ada artinya. Coba jenengan cek enlighten itu artinya apa?
I find it in Oxford language and Oxford Dictionary. Give someone greater knowledge and understanding about subject or greater knowledge, improve knowledge.
Enlighten
Memberi seperti kalau in Indonesia berarti meningkatkan wawasan. Wawasan ya, lebih ke meningkatkan di knowledge ya.
Jadi education is supaya diharapkan to be menjadi menjadi sebuah proses untuk meningkatkan, untuk improving proses
enlightening process,
proses peningkatan
proses peningkatan.
yang ditujukan untuk
Ya, bijaksanaan and perbendaharaan pengetahuan. Ya, store of knowledge.
ya perbendaharaan
Ya, perbendaharaan atau apa ya?
magnifying. What is
Magnifying. Magnifying. Magnifying.
ya enlarge,
Ya, magnifying. Maximum. Ya, larger.
enlarge,
Make something. Oh yes.
improve, increase.
I think
Yeah,
enlightening have a similar
yeah.
meaning with
Magnify.
magnifying.
Jadi kalau apa sinonim itu membantu perbendaharaan kata. Magnifying itu punya enlightening, improve, increase,
Yeah,
kan?
Yes.
They have similar meaning.
improve, increase, enlarge.
Enlarge,
Yeah.
enhance.
Enhance. Yes.
Ini maknanya sama, cuma kadang kita pakainya seringnya improve, increase. So, democratic society. Features of education. Importance of academic. What is the meaning of gain?
What?
Gaining knowledge.
Gaining knowledge. Where I can find it?
Ini introduction, education. The first thing that strikes in our mind when we think about education is gaining knowledge.
Gain about the volume. Gaining
Film,
volume.
volume, gain.
Gain to improve, like no. Gaining.
Get,
Get.
baca, gain, gain. Gain, get itu sama.
Obtain, gain.
Obtain, get. Nah, kalau di Oxford itu kan ada persamaan, ada sinonimnya juga. Jadi kita bisa tahu kata lain dari gain.
Yeah, I did that.
Oke. Gain, get, obtain. Sama. Then that is the word pronunciation. Expand.
Expand.
It expands, line 3.
Line 3. Okay.
It expands vision and outlook to see the world.
Ekspansi.
Ekspansi, betul.
Memperluas.
Enlarge, sama.
Iya.
Expand, expand, enlarge. So, vocabulary against injustice, violence, and manner. What is evolution?
Evolution. Yeah, evolution
Second
is.
paragraph, line 2.
uh,
It
big
is the
change.
most important element in the evolution
Yeah, big change.
of the nation.
Big change, or maybe yeah, big change.
Big change, evolusi kalau Indonesianya.
Yeah.
Implement.
Implement, to apply. Implement, apply.
Implement.
Mempraktekkan, untuk
Implementasi.
dipraktikkan. Apply,
Application.
to apply.
Yeah.
Similar kan?
Yeah, that's the same. Okay. Can you talk about this? Education is important in the creation of any democratic society. Can you elaborate it?
Okay, I will try.
It's important in the creation of any democratic society.
Yeah, if I will try to elaborate about this topic. Yeah, education is important in the creation of any democratic society, as we know. In maybe for example, in my country, in our country, Indonesia, the democratic system of the government. If we decide to make our nation the democracy nation, so it must be supported by support by the the high level of education from the peoples. If the people have no enough knowledge to maybe to talk about the opinion about the maybe from the policy of the ministry of the government. So if it cannot be balanced about the policy in and the real life, or the real state in the people. I don't know if it's true or not. Maybe you can correct me.
Okay, so how about the education? Sorry, how about the democracy in Indonesia? I mean, is it good, or we have a good democracy or not, relating to the education in Indonesia? Based on the education in Indonesia, so can we have the good democratic society, or do we have the good democracy?
For in this time,
Yes.
I think education for now in Indonesia not too enough to support democracy in Indonesia. I think not enough, because
Yes.
the democracy must be supported by a high level of the free maybe apa ya, kayak Kebebasan untuk berpendapat itu apa ya? You know?
Kebebasan, right, hak untuk berpendapat.
Free, yeah, but get to talk something, anything, yeah, in the public room or in the social media. So if we have no enough capability or enough education, enough knowledge to control about it's like if we have if we know about maybe from one circle in education, maybe if I have to exemplary, yeah, if we know together about the subject, so we can discuss with health, yeah, no hate of one and another's, if we have the enough knowledge. But if we have the maybe pure knowledge, so we cannot to have a deep mind or the could to take an ideas. So I think it can be a mistake, and if have no balance keseimbangan apa ya? Yeah, balance about one people and another people, and especially the people and the government. So it can be maybe the kerusakan atau apa ya? Yeah, maybe demo about the vandalism and like that. I think like that. So it maybe it have relational about 3 or 4 months from now, last month for last 4 months, maybe on like August or November, maybe, if we know about the very chaos of our republic, but the many in the traffic, many people broken many public facilities and like that. So if we have the enough education, I think it will be done. I think it's my opinion.
Of course.
Yeah, it's my opinion. If you have the
importance of education relating to democracy, but in fact, in our state Indonesia, many parties has their own benefit. Many parties, many people, some people, many people.
Yeah, some people.
Many people. Our apa namanya? Pejabat.
Yeah, maybe
they have their own benefit towards the society.
Yeah.
So we cannot implement, or we cannot apply the good democracy in Indonesia.
We cannot implement to because
that's it.
the gap of the knowledge between I'm sorry, bottom layer of people and upper layer of people in Indonesia is so high.
Indeed.
Maybe you will agree with me.
Yeah, of course.
I think we can take time for a while for that.
Next, geopolitical.
Geopolitical.
Kalau politik, we always heard about politics. So what is geopolitics? Geopolitics.
Before I I open the dictionary. Maybe for me, geopolitical geo from the word of world, geo, bumi, maybe earth, and politically, I think geopolitic is the politic in the bigger scale or world scale. I think that's geopolitik. Geo berarti peta politikan atau kayak apa ya Bu ya? Yeah, like that.
Okay, you may check geopolitics. What is it? Geo, the influence or the relation between the geography, economical state of the nation towards the politics.
Yeah, if there's the language, geo is art. Yeah, political
Betul.
thing.
That's one.
And based on the about the language, but in the terminology is back to the relation of the politic and the territorial in local or international. Yeah, geopolitik also relate about analysis practice to have to make a policy in the government. Intinya geopolitik itu berhubungan yang secara lebih kompleks dari pemakaian kekuatan politik untuk kebijakan-kebijakan di dalam negeri maupun sampai ke luar negeri.
So, coba, terrorists could use free education as a way to radicalize people. In other words, geopolitical stability is one of education's most powerful effect on society.
Yeah, I think if the about the stability, if a good education so can make geopolitical stability is very better than if the education is low in the people or in the nation. Yeah, maybe it's similar. I have similar with the one the first topic, that the geopolitic and the about the democracy, the democratic society. I think have similar things about the systems, because we cannot memecah itu apa ya Bu ya, memisahkan apa ya, separate ya. We cannot separate between democratic and geopolitic in Indonesia.
So, in this word, do we have the geopolitical stability? Oh, no, in Indonesia aja nih, in Indonesia. Do we have geopolitical stability?
Yeah, maybe for now.
Is it stable or not for the geopolitical?
I think yeah, for now I can say stable, but maybe if you ask me, maybe to take to give a point between 1 and 10, maybe I have to choose 6.
6. It means it's not stable.
But it's most better about than 4.
Okay, it is.
Yeah, in my opinion, because yeah, I think we have the stable geopolitics, but fortunately, our people are in our society. Many people is love about the peaceful, the peaceful and main. I think it, but it's not about education, but it's about not education, but the maybe about the, I have to say, the culture.
Culture.
Yeah, culture.
Okay.
Our culture is very very uh, yeah, masa bodoh. Like they don't care about the, maybe about the leader, maybe in the top
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
government.
Because they
Yeah.
don't have any knowledge to reach
This
the
the
upper government, ya kan?
but the positive, but about the positive things, they have peace life, and not to apa ya, terpengaruh apa ya,
They have peace life because without thinking
anything about the
Yeah.
disaster, but
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
it's not good for the one side, but the other side is good. So the in this layer of people, life peaceful and yeah, not I think not thinking about for us deep mind about the government. Although for us, if have enough knowledge about the system or the government system, I think we have maybe for us not to very good. Maybe if we have the about the critical mind about the government now, but in the layer of people that I said before, they is,
I get it.
yeah, maybe you can get what I think about this, maybe. So you correct me. So if I must say, maybe I have to say to you that before with Madam Ernia, yeah, directly you can correct me about me if I have mistake, if I talk about maybe for the my vocabulary is very very weak. So you can correct to directly, no sorry, like maybe you can help me like that, so it can be flow and I can study with you.
So, yeah, you say, you often say, in my opinion. Ya kan? So, what another word from, what the other words from, in my opinion?
I think
I think. So what else? I think. Anda sering banget ngomong I think. What else?
yeah, I think in my opinion, yeah, to that, like I think just to that I often will say that.
For me, according to me,
It's very 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 apa ya, jarang tuh apa ya,
red, seldom.
seldom.
Rare.
Seldom.
Seldom bisa.
Rare, yeah, rare time. According to me, maybe. Yes, according to
Bisa dipakai. For me aja bisa. According to me, it's okay.
according to me, in my
Besides
opinion.
using, in my opinion or I think.
Yeah.
So, Anda juga sering ngulang kayak many atau very, ya kan? Many, very, itu tadi sering apa? Only once, twice.
Yeah, maybe it's the character.
Atau if you try misal di rumah try to speak in front of record ya kan, terus habis itu Anda dengarkan lagi, you listen it and apa?
Yeah, correct.
Mm-mm.
Best.
Have you
Yeah.
ever tried to record when you speak and
Never, right?
never? You may try it.
Often. No. Rare time. In English, rare time. But maybe right now or 1 weeks ago, or yeah, maybe 1 weeks. I have
1 week.
yeah, I have a project with between my business to grow to make a bit YouTube channel,
Okay.
so I can interact have interaction with camera and then but in Indonesia for
Oh,
the first
Indonesia.
time.
Okay.
I think maybe for the next time I will make a content with English if I
Oh, you
have
can.
yes if I have enough knowledge enough capability to that.
Okay. For YouTube maybe you can prepare more.
Yeah.
Ya kan? You can write any important things you want to speak, or kan bisa ada apa?
Ya,
Catatannya
skripnya.
dulu, skripnya dulu kalau buat YouTube.
Yeah, of course Indonesia. Yeah,
What
most
about?
most about the education.
Education.
Yeah.
Only.
Only one video.
Oh.
I just started,
Oh.
but I have I have happiness that I can find another activity.
Misalnya.
So if as you have the advice to me to record in the camera and like that, so I have started.
Yeah,
but
you may try, because after seeing it, after recording, so you see how you speak.
Yeah.
Ya kan? You can
improve.
correct.
Yeah.
You can improve. You may write any problems or any correction, and for the next recording or for the next practice, you can correct it.
Yeah, and correct
It can be
and more
better.
careful about the
Yes,
mistakes.
Of course. Kayak yang saya tadi bilang, ada beberapa kata pengulangan kata, ya kan, nanti for the next bisa di reduce.
Yeah, to reduce maybe about the word like that. What?
Many,
Many?
many sama more tadi.
With Miss
sering
with Madam Ernia, usually I ask to her to make a summary about my progress.
Okay.
Not one meet and one summary. No,
Okay.
with 3 or 4 meetings.
is there any
Yeah.
improvement?
If we have the communication or we have the dialogues, I asked her to.
I asked her.
I asked her. Okay, I asked her to make a summary about my advance, my kelebihan apa sih? Ya, about the plus or minus from my speaking skills.
Okay.
For maybe for the word that it's not forbidden. It's intinya apa sih, intinya apa itu ya, in the point to the point is just summary about my
Okay.
yeah my positive and negative side or the correction from her.
Yeah. Is there
Maybe
any
you can
correction?
although it is our first time,
Mhm.
maybe you can analyze like that, just know you can analyze.
Yeah.
I often reply about many or extra like that.
Ya, of course. Saya langsung sampaikan nanti ya kalau ada tambahan atau correction, of course. I'll tell you.
Yeah, thank you. But I think in this moment you have the subject or the topic, so it is very interesting to elaborate.
Yeah, of course. Karena you are a teacher. We are teacher.
Yeah.
So, of course, it is related topic to us.
So,
Kalau
yeah.
speaking itu kita tuh kebanyakan karena apa juga? Because we lack of vocabulary, ya kan? Karena kita jadi mikir dulu nih, apa ya gitu, bahasa Inggrisnya apa buat ngomongnya. Ini kan kayak sampean juga, Anda juga mikir dulu, ini artinya apa buat ngomong, terus bingung akhirnya ya udah. Emang gitu, memang seperti itu. Makanya the important thing in speaking itu adalah vocabulary. Nah, so how can you gain the more vocabulary? Anda bisa elaborate your vocabulary itu. What is your way?
My way. My way.
Selain Anda ikut
Les.
sambil ngobrol kayak gini, is there any another option
Activity.
to enhance, to improve your speaking?
Yeah, I have the hobbies watching YouTube. Yeah, watching YouTube about the not only Indonesian contents but also international contents,
Of course.
like maybe the reviews of the products
Yeah.
and for maybe for one years or two, yeah, 1 years, the last years, yeah. I have hobby watching films.
Nice.
Yeah, watching films. Maybe you ever watch Marvels, like Marvel Cinematic Universe,
Yeah.
like Iron Man or Iron Man series, and then from Marvels I have the interest to Marvel Cinematic Universe.
Okay, you may.
So the my hobby to watch the film, it enhance my my English vocabulary. Yeah. So yeah, I can hear about the actor dialogues, and I can know about the subtitle. So one or two words, but it's so intense. So I think help me to have to enhance my to add my vocabulary in English.
Yeah.
And not only that,
What else?
maybe about the computers or the my smartphone. I never setting to Indonesian language.
Okay.
It's very simple.
Yeah.
It's very simple. If we have a native in English, uh, maybe for my computer in English, so we can study about the error. What's the error? We can say, but this so if we have the error, so you can um, know we know about the error and we know about the meanings of the word. So like that.
Mm. What else besides watching TV, watching movie, watching film?
Yeah, watching is like watching contents,
Okay.
and sometime I I turn off the subtitle
Do you like
to
reading
to
book?
learn. Yeah,
Do you like reading book?
yeah, I like reading book,
What
but
kind of
almost in Indonesian
Oh,
language.
in Indonesia.
Almost.
Okay, okay. Because you like to watch movie, beside watching movie, only reading the subtitle, ya kan? You may, although you can write the difficult. I often listen, or I often watch someone who try to improve their speaking, to improve his speaking. So he watched the movie, he listened to English song, he reads the English book. But beside reading, beside watching, and beside listening to the song, he writes the difficult term.
Oh.
He writes the difficult term, the difficult words he find. He writes the English and also the meaning. And after that, he read again what he has written.
It's super.
Yeah, it is
I don't like that.
Oh, you don't like that.
I don't like that. Just enjoy the movie,
Okay.
and maybe it spontaneously enter to my mind. Oh, it's too late. Oh, too late itu lamban. Apalagi ya kayak gitulah, kayak idiom-idiom yang mungkin nggak ada di.
Ya betul. Banyak idiom sinonim yang di movie kan
Di
beda.
movie kan beda ya.
Nah.
Jadi style untuk kita, tapi itu membantu untuk it's help me to know about the some idioms, to know about this. Oh yes, if she talk about this, the style and the the apa ya, penekanan bahasa itu apa ya, intonation. Yes, intonation. Oh, we must use the word like this, the intonation like this. Yeah, maybe.
It's okay, it's okay.
Although maybe one or two many words, or often words is bad words.
Of course.
Yeah,
apalagi
because
American
we have no
movie.
censor about
Ah.
this movie.
Yeah. Or you may read you may watch BBC News.
BBC News.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I
In English atau VOA.
VOA. Yeah.
The one in English, English American. Nah, itu kan kita bisa belajar dari situ juga. Bisa watching movie. Kalau movie kan dia lebih santai,
Lebih santai,
kata-katanya. Kalau di BBC News kan lebih formal.
Promo.
Jadi
Yeah.
banyak istilah-istilah yang
Yeah. Oh yeah, one way again,
What is it?
in my way to enlarge my vocabulary is, listening music. Listening music.
English?
Yeah.
English song
Yeah,
or
yeah, of
Indonesian?
course. English song, of course, madam. Like maybe the band that is a legend to me, like The Script, you know. I want to know what's old are you?
I am
Yes.
35.
35?
No. 30.
35?
4 mungkin.
34?
Yeah.
It's similar to me.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe you know about the Script band or no?
Kalau band-band nggak terlalu tahu ya.
Maybe soloist. Yeah, Mariah Carey or
Yeah,
Celine Dion.
and-
Celine Dion or
Dion.
Mariah Carey.
Siapa sih?
Sometimes I heard the songs, so I can know. yeah, I know about the my heart will go on. What's the meaning of my heart will go on?
Yeah.
So
Translate.
if the
Searching the
song is
meaning.
very interesting to me, I searching and yeah, so directly, indirectly, enlarge my vocabulary. And
Yeah.
not
So
like
yeah,
that, not only
listening.
listening music, but I'm listening music and I sing the music. I sing the song.
Oh, nice. You like to sing?
Yeah, you can say. I can say I have hobby. Yeah, my side hobby. Yeah.
It's okay.
But it improved me.
Mm,
Yeah,
pasti,
improved it
of
to
course.
yeah. What the
Tapi nggak sekali dua kali kan, pasti sering.
Ya,
Uji movie, imitation, copying itu juga penting.
yeah, copying about maybe the song. I think the very impactful. I think in the music. If I sing our song,
Sing a song.
sing our
Sing.
song, sing a song.
Iya.
I sing.
Sing kan nyanyi.
Okay,
Song, lagu.
Sing the fourth one.
Sing, sang, sang.
Sing song, yeah.
Hmm.
I sang. I will sing.
I sang.
I sang. Okay, I sang a song.
I sang a song.
I sang a song and I have the experience. I has
I have.
I have
I have.
I had a very important experience to feel the pronunciation
Mm-mm.
and the meaning of the songs and to yeah maybe to menghayati itu apa ya Bu ya?
Menghayati.
Menghayati itu
Feel.
feel ya feel
Merasakan. Ya.
merasakan ya oke to feel the feel
The
the
meaning.
yeah the meanings and the purpose of the songs.
It's okay. Gak apa-apa sih. Banyak banget cara.
But into the past it's very last years. Yeah, if
And now?
I know not to
Yeah, just
intensity because I
Have been busy.
we have I have a wife, I have a
Yeah,
child.
yeah.
Yeah, because maybe
And
if
other
in
obligation.
another of years maybe if it's to to song to sing sing the song to our partner, to our girlfriend. Maybe you know about my my girl this have the interest to to our pasangan apa ya our partner
Suppose.
ya terus
Ya
artinya
partner.
partner are lebih ke couple.
Couple bisa, partner bisa. Partner aja, oke.
Oke, partner aja. Artinya
Partner in life.
yeah, I think it's about the to show about the feeling to my couple or to my partners that about the music, about the feel of the songs like this.
Mm-mm.
But yeah, the past life.
Do you ever try to speak English with your wife, Pak?
No. Because my wife in past life is different. Yeah, it is takdir.
Oh gitu, oke. That's good.
No. It's so privately.
Iya, nggak usah dibahas lagi. Baik, kita lanjutkan ya. Oke, kalau udah kayak gitu kan, berarti kan apa sudah pernah watching movie, imitating and another activity, berarti kan emang you have will to increase to improve your
Yeah, I feel bad.
vocabulary and to
Yeah, for
improve your speaking. But
yeah, but I think for this in this time, I have uh, enough enough knowledge or enough vocabulary or enough capability to speak English. I think I must to improve. I must to
I
learn.
must improve.
I must improve. I must
Can.
learning more and
I
then
must learn.
I must learn.
Nah, kayak can, must, model itu kan nggak we don't need any additional ing, we don't need any additional to. We can to speak.
We can
We
speak.
can speak. We can speak.
Ya,
We
ya.
can learn.
Ya, ya,
we
ya.
must. Kan, kadang spontan ya kayak
Ya.
gitu.
Yeah, like that. Miss Madam Ernia often notice me about that.
Okay.
Ing, ing.
Yeah.
It not don't use it
Yeah, spontaneous.
spontaneously, but it's not no problem. Maybe for the first time with Madam Ernia is very intense, and she think for now I success
Mm-mm.
reduce yeah my mistake about that. But yeah, sometime or yeah I repeat that.
Nah.
Too many like that. Ing that not the correct place lah.
Ya, bisa diingat-ingat nanti, ya kan? Can too, can speak.
Ya can ya two itu.
Oke, coba next ya, kita lanjutkan. Educations give people the knowledge they need to elect capable leaders.
Education gives people the knowledge they need to elect capable. Yeah, totally agree.
Of course, yeah. To elect capable leader, let us think in politics with reason. Everyone who knows how to get food knows how to administer a city or a state. Eloquent. Apa artinya?
Eloquent.
Mm-mm.
Eloquent. I don't know. I must find it in the dictionary.
Check that. Eloquent. What does it mean?
Eloquent. Yeah, the speaker.
Fluent.
Yeah,
Do you know
fluent.
fluent?
Yeah, fluent.
What is it?
Ya, pandai bicara. Fluent. Ya, fluent. Fasih.
Fasih. Fluent. We don't have any SE.
Fasih, eloquent.
Education helps the member of society to see through the manipulation used by politicians to get votes, so that the members of the society can vote for the leaders. Okay. What topic do you interest?
Between
Interest most?
most interest
Oh.
15 topics or
No, I
don't
mean,
know.
for you, according to you, yeah. Any topics, any interesting topics do you like to discuss?
In this moment.
Mm, yeah, boleh.
in this moment or based on the paper?
Based on your like,
Yeah, in my
not based
mind.
on this paper, yeah.
No.
Do you like any interest topic beside education? Another topic,
Yeah, I think.
politics or what?
No.
Maybe.
No, not politics. I think I have interest in politics, but it's not too intense and not too much, yeah, not too much with if I compare my interest in education.
Of course.
Yeah, of course, we are educator. So
Because you
the
are
issue right now that I developed in my channel YouTube, I
The
try
channel YouTube
yeah
is about education.
yeah about education. And I'll try to. The name is
What is it?
the name my channel is Open Mind.
Open mind.
I will try. The vision of my channel is to open mind of the people about the maybe about one mind, or as we know the government or my government especially in education policy, but the education Ministry of Education right now, Mr. Abdul Muti and the Mendikti. I'm sorry, I forget it. Yeah, right now, maybe you intensity is very intensity is very sangat banyak tuh apa ya? Sangat banyak sering mendengar apa ya, Bu ya?
Sangat banyak.
Sangat
So what do you mean?
sering kita dengar.
Oh, we often hear.
We often hear about deep learning.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe you know about this. I think you know about this, yeah, about deep learning and any misconception about the from the teachers and the educators about the deep learning, and they think the deep learning is the new curriculum. For the first time, it's called it's show to the public. Many teacher and many educators. What the what again?
What
Apa lagi?
again?
Ya, artinya they have a negative thinking
Okay.
about the deep learning.
Because we often change the curriculum.
Yeah,
almost every year.
Change the ministry and change the curriculum.
Changing the ministry and also the changing the curriculum, and it confuse the educators, the teacher, and also the students.
Of course, about that. Yeah, and the korban itu apa ya?
Victim.
Yes, the victim, not only the students, but we are the educators.
teacher, the
If we have not, if we have no an open mind, so I want to develop my YouTube channel to open the misconception, about the stuck thinking, about the negative thinking, but maybe after I study or elaborate about the meanings of the deep learning, I think it's good. The government have the great vision about beside the deep learning this.
Okay, if you can explain how do you explain about deep learning for the people?
Sure, I try to describe the deep learning in the simple simple language, of course. In simple language, uh, I'll try to not to use. I'll not. I'll not. I'll try not use.
I try
Not use.
not to use. I
Yeah.
try not to. I try to. Kalau
I
enggak
try.
kan
Yeah. I'll try not use. What is the correct?
No,
Ini
I
saya.
kan kalau saya mencoba untuk I'll try to.
I'll try
Kalau
to.
saya mencoba tidak berarti
I will not true. I
I'll
will.
try to not.
I'll try to not use the technique language, but yeah, the
Or
simple language.
Okay, the common language for the people.
Yeah, the principle of the deep learning, like the government it describes in the models, the paper of the government published on the sites. Yeah, the principle of the deep learning. One, yeah, mindful. Yeah, mindful. Secondly, meaningful. Meaningful, and the last is joyful. Yeah, it's just the principle.
Oh, prinsipnya.
Yeah, the principle of the deep learning. But almost the teacher have the assumption of the deep learning is what? It is the deep learning is new curriculum is very confused me. I don't know. Yeah.
It's apa? We often change the curriculum
Yeah,
from curriculum A
yeah.
to curriculum B. So for next year we change
Yeah,
it again.
yeah.
So it confused the teacher.
You can visit the teacher,
Of course.
and unfortunately, so sangat kecil, sangat sedikit apa ya?
Few, little.
Yeah, little people or little just someone or yeah, little orang apa ya, little people talk
Few
about
people.
this, yeah, talk
Few
about this,
people.
yeah, to enlarge or to describe about the positive of the deep learning.
Okay, because many teachers think, oh,
Yeah.
my obligation is teaching, so I just
Yeah.
apa, menyampaikan the material to
Yeah,
the students. That's it, yeah. Without thinking about the curriculum, without thinking
Yeah,
about.
because the negative of mine. I think so. I think wow, if the jika kita tidak memberikan pelurusan apa, if you have we don't have the guidance or the have the maybe the inspiration from the people. I think the teachers more confused about this because karena minimal
So,
education.
is there any training or pelatihan itu for the teacher about deep learning?
I think the
For you as a headmaster ya, jenengannya. Ya kan?
fortunately
Is there
I
any
am.
training about deep learning? Kalau biasanya kan ada pelatihan atau pembelajaran tentang kurikulum.
Yeah, I
Ada,
think
pernah berarti.
there is socialization or the workshop about
yeah.
this deep learning, but as we know, if in the too large room in very sangat banyak itu apa ya? Sangat banyak apa Bu?
Hah?
Sangat banyak.
Very much.
Yeah,
Many,
very
many
much.
aja.
Yeah, many participant in the rooms, the workshop, and one narasumber or one
One
speakers,
speaker.
yes, one speakers, and between between many pupils, many
Yeah.
teachers, you can measure about the activity of the moments about the workshop. So I think it's not too effective
Oh,
to
Not too
to
effective.
yeah to maybe to apa ya, untuk to deliver about the principle of the deep learning. So I think yeah, this is my chance, or maybe it's the my opportunity, maybe to have yeah the mind, the positive mind too, maybe for my neighbor, my teacher on my school.
Okay.
Minimally, yeah, can know about this teacher is it's not so huge, it's not too sulit apa ya, not too difficult to learn about this. I think yeah, I want to simply the maybe the misconception and etc. Then I'm very impressed about my first video. Uh, Maybe I was uploaded 3 days, 3 days.
3 days ago?
Yeah, 3 days ago.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You may
I
record another video and upload it.
Another?
Yeah, you may try to make another video.
Yeah,
and
yeah, I
upload.
try. I schedule every Friday.
Oh, every Friday.
And the interaction of the audience, my audience is very good. I think it is maybe about
How many views?
200 up to 200.
Oh, nice.
No. 200. Yeah,
200 views.
200.
Nice.
200 plus views. And in this new channel, my new channel,
Yeah, lumayan.
from zero,
Yeah.
and to 20 subscribers, and the hours of view apa ya, jam tayang apa ya,
Jam tayang.
jam tayang,
Jam tayang. Views.
yeah, views, and the
I also have a YouTube channel. Long ago. But
you
it's
you know,
about craft.
you have it.
Yeah, I have 2-3 years,
About what
but
about
I stopped it.
because
crafting.
oh, you have the
Terus udah monetize juga. Actually lumayan, but I stopped to record or to make a video. So
what's
that-
your alasan?
alasan to make that? I like to make something new, crafting,
Ya,
bikin barang-barang hal baru gitu.
ya maksudnya jangan berhenti kenapa?
Oh, berhentinya. Oh, sorry. Berhentinya karena pas itu udah ngajar, nggak kadang waktu buat bikin videonya.
Udah nggak nih ya.
Jadi stop. Eman sini. Nanti
Yeah, I
kapan
think
lagi?
you can continue again.
Ya, bisa. Oke. For next week ya, Pak ya. Ini jam berapa? Udah jam 4 belum? Oh, bentar lagi. For next week, may I ask you to record a video, record video, elaborating or describing about something. Anda record 5 minutes aja lah, enough maybe ya. So for next meeting we can watch it together.
Oh, oke.
Habis itu we can you can see it, you can watch it and finding any mistakes
Yeah.
and correct it. Kita
Yeah.
tonton sama-sama. Anda koreksi sendiri, saya koreksi sendiri.
Oke.
Nah, nanti we can discuss it, the mistake di mana.
The topics
Uh,
free?
bebas aja deh. Bebas.
Oh,
Anda mau
maybe
bahas
I
apa?
will to translate
Relate.
my first content
Oh,
maybe.
you may about deep learning.
Yeah,
It's
maybe.
okay.
Yeah,
Bisa.
maybe I can translate my
Boleh.
first content to English. Yeah.
Kalau recording kan Anda bisa you may prepare first. Ya, ada skripnya juga boleh atau langsung juga boleh, bebas. Jadi
Oh.
kita bisa checking for pronunciation-nya misal, and also the
Grammatical
atau for speaking-nya
structure.
apakah udah runtut gitu.
Okay.
Bisa ya?
Yeah, I take it.
Kan Anda belum pernah tuh record
Okay,
terus
never.
dilihat, nah itu
Witness.
bisa jadi salah satu cara untuk improve
Okay.
bahasa Inggris.
I'll try it. Maybe
Nggak usah panjang-panjang, 5 minutes, 6
5 minutes.
ya.
Okay.
5 menit lah kurang lebih.
I think enough.
Enough. Okay. Any question? Kalau tadi tuh relating to grammar atau pronounce-nya, ya oke lah kalau pronounce ya. Kalau grammarnya tadi Anda tuh banyak kayak misal one speaker, tapi bilangnya one speakers atau a books. Jadi ada s-nya gitu. Actually kalau speaking aslinya ya, itu nggak terlalu relating to grammar. Tapi karena kita di Indonesia belajarnya tuh grammar dulu, ya kan? Jadi kalau dengar ada yang salah, ya seperti itu. Padahal di sana, ya kan, in English ya,
Bebas,
ya,
free.
bebas aja, free. Kalau di movie juga, when you watch the movie,
Yeah.
ya kan?
Ya kayak mengabaikan semuanya.
Betul. Nah, actually
Lebih
nggak
ke serian.
tapi kan better kalau
Ya,
lebih
better.
baiknya sesuai atau according to write the correct grammatical. Oke.
Jadi jangan reguler di sini ya, Bu ya. Maksudnya hampir setiap hari ngajar.
Enggak juga tapi setiap minggu ada.
Setiap minggu ada jamnya.
Iya.
Ngajar di apa, Bu? Di kelas
UPT sini
di
ada
UPT.
TOEFL, TOEIC,
TOEFL tuh.
les juga
Oh.
gitu aja.
Kalau di rumah ada anu, Bu.
Kalau di rumah les anak-anak kecil juga.
Oh, gitu.
Dan buka kursusan juga. Kalau sekarang lagi buka kedai, bisnis, ya apa aja bisa beli.
Your background maybe about the education, Miss.
Education, kalau S1-nya di UIN.
Ulin Wali Songo, Semarang.
Terus apa namanya? S2-nya di UNES.
Di
UNES.
UNES, Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris.
Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris.
Saya malah nggak punya riwayat belajar bahasa Inggris. Maksudnya di sekolah yang formal maksud saya.
Kalau jenengan jurusannya apa?
Saya jurusan PAI. Saya.
Oh, PAI. Berarti S2-nya juga PAI ya?
MPI.
MPI. Sekolahnya di mana, Pak?
Maksudnya sekolah yang apa
Ya,
ya?
maksudnya ini.
Ngabdinya.
Ngabdinya di mana?
SMP Mamba Ulu Mayang saya, Bu.
Mayong.
Iya.
Rumahnya ya di Mayong.
Iya, rumahnya Mayang.
Kesini.
Iya.
Best loh. Niat sekali. Ya kan?
Ya.
Kesini ya.
40, 45, 40.
Iya, sejam.
Iya, nggak ada 1 jam lah, Bu.
Hampir.
Iya, hampir kalau pakai mobil.
Iya kan? Iya kok seniat itu. Apa? What is your motivation?
My motivation
Ha-ha.
ikut les ini.
Iya.
Yeah, I want to improve my English just like that.
Just like that.
No,
Or because
the
you
side-
like English or something or any other motivation
Yeah,
besides liking English?
of course I love English.
Ha-ha.
Maybe it is not my passion if I have to enter the religions or PAI department
Oh, okay.
in my S1 atau S1.
Mm.
Sebenarnya saya tuh sudah plan apa namanya, setelah saya SMA itu pengen masuk ke ya universitas yang memang benar-benar kuliah gitu, kuliah yang reguler. Apa maksud saya? Enggak,
Nah kalau kemarin apa kuliahnya?
kuliahnya itu saya nggak reguler S1-nya.
Apa? Berarti ngajar dulu?
Iya, langsung ditarik menjadi tata usaha di sebuah
Oh, gitu.
di lembaga saya saat ini.
Ha-ha.
Jadi
berarti udah
saya
lama
langsung
ya?
udah diambil jadi tenaga bukan langsung jadi guru sih,
TU.
ya jadi TU lah, membantu kayak gitu.